And I thank all the staff of Bastana, especially those officers. Sana itong pagdating ng anak ko, masaya na siya. He will be coming back by the December to make his blessing. Kaya kung di ma-invited tayo lahat. At sana I will be giving also advice for those who like to invest in Bastana. And thank you, Lord. God bless us all.
Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3.